Guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to book on Airbnb. For that, first of all, open up your Airbnb app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you are logged into your account. Type in the destination you want to go to on your search bar. Now you'll have to select if you are looking for a place to stay for a few days, for monthly stay, or to experience the activities hosted by locals. After that, select your desired check-in and check-out date. Then use the drop-down menu to indicate how many guests you need accommodations for. When you're done, tap on search, which is on bottom right of your screen. Now you'll be able to see all of the places which are available. Select the place that you are interested in. Here you'll find information about the place. If you're interested, tap on reserve, which is on bottom right of your screen. Now you will need to enter your payment method. You can pay with your credit card or debit card, or you can pay with your PayPal account. If you're paying through your credit card, you'll need to add your card number, expiry date, CVV, postcode, and country and reason. And when you're done, tap on done, which is on bottom right. After that, you'll need to scroll down, and at the bottom of the page, you'll see the option of confirm and pay. Tap on it. This way you can book on Airbnb. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.